welcome back to my channel. My name is Karen. So for today's video is we're gonna do another bag review. So if you guys are into this type of video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys will always get notified every time I post new video. You can also follow me on my Instagram right here. I am so prominent in there. So if you guys have any question of all the bags that I've reviewed so far, I'm gonna try and answer all of your questions. Just send me a DM. With no further ado, let's get started. So you guys already saw the unboxing. You guys already saw the details of this bag as well. And I do apologize if I didn't remove the wrappings because I feel like as soon as I unbox this, I already know in my heart that I'm going to return this bag. I'm gonna tell you guys later why I'm going to return it. So I didn't get much information of this bag while I was looking for this particular item online. So here it is. Most of the stuff that I saw in regards with this bag is they're just showing it like how they wear it, but I didn't get much information about it. So here it is. I do apologize if I still have the wrappings on this one because just like I mentioned, I am going to return this bag. So I really love the color of this bag. The sun is shining bright right now, so you guys can see the true colors of this bag while outside or it's under the sun. It's really a nice color, and this one kind of reminds me of like a raspberry color. I already showed this to my husband as well. He didn't like it, to be honest. So anyway, it does have two buckles in front. I'm gonna insert a picture in here so you guys can get a better picture of this bag. It does have two front pockets, which is really nice because you can put your lip balms in here, lotion, sanitizers, or your earbuds. On the inside, this is what it looks like. It does have one slip compartment in the back and pretty much just one big compartment right here. What I really love with this bag is, first of all, is the color. I really love the color raspberry, and then on this side it does have this trimming of a very dark brown color, and it does have a contrasting stitching of color pink here as well, which is I really love, by the way. And On this side, it does have the name Coach right here. There is no feet. And another thing is, this bag is so versatile because you can actually carry this. This is pretty much a baguette. So this one is, you can carry it on your shoulder, or if you guys want as well, is you can carry this as a handheld, put it in the crook of your arm, or you can also wear this as a crossbody bag as well, or you can also use this as a shoulder strap. For this one is, you have the option which strap to use. I feel like if you're gonna put both straps at the same time, it's gonna scratch more on the hardware right here. And another thing, it's gonna just make the bag look so over busy. So I suggest just pick one or the other for the straps. There is no back pocket right here. Oh goodness, there's the sun. Look how pretty it is. Like I said, I really love the color. I really love the trimming and everything. Okay, so I just had to kind of move away from the window because of the sun. It kind of irritates my eyes while I'm filming this. So here is the bag again, and I'm gonna tell you the reason why I am going to return this bag. Don't get me wrong, I really love it. I still do. The downside is, I feel like as soon as I open it, it feels like the leather looks so cheap on this one. And then my husband said it looks like it's kind of fake. When he saw it, he was like, I don't like the bag. Don't get me wrong, I like the color. And then he was like, do you know how to style it? I was like, yes, it's so easy to style this one, especially most of the colors that I wear are more on the neutral side, especially we're already at fall where I am from. So this one, it's much easier for me to style. So as you guys can see in here, I really like it. I am wearing my white shirt right now with blue jeans. So yeah, so what do you guys think? Should I return it? Should I keep it? For me right now, I might end up returning it, even though I really like it. It's because, as you guys can see in here, the leather, it feels like look kind of cheap in my opinion. And also, I am going to compare this as well with one of the colors that I have. Let me just get it for you. So this is the color from the Coach outlet, and this is the color from my inspired Hermes bag. So this is my Kelly. So as you guys can see, there is big difference. This one is much lighter and this one is much darker. And the reason why I bought this, because I want to feel the color first, because I'm planning to purchase one of the Birkin 30 in this color. I'm going to insert a picture as well. So I feel like I want to test out the color first. Pretty much I already know how to wear it on this one. And here we go. Let me do again another side by side. Like I said, this one is a little bit lighter and this one is a little bit on the darker color. And yeah, it's one of the reasons why I got this one, because I want to feel the color first before actually purchasing this Birkin bag in this color. So it's one of the reasons why I got it. I do apologize, I'm already off topic, but I am just sharing you guys before purchasing to kind of explore a more budget-friendly bags, just to kind of test of the color, just like this one. As you guys can see in here, the colors, again, it's different. Again, I really love it. It's just that the leather, why is it like this? But anyway, that should be it for today, guys. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye.